Rub garlic on your doors. It's an old trick every seasoned homemaker once knew. And it works better than you'd think. Peel the garlic cloves, every single one. You probably know garlic from the kitchen, but its true power goes far beyond flavor. It contains one of the most potent natural compounds. To activate it, you need to prepare it properly. Cut off the tip of each clove. This is the key step. That's when garlic releases allicin, a natural compound with a strong smell and protective effect. That's what makes this trick so effective. Gently rub the garlic on your front door. No need to scrub, just a thin layer will do. For even better results, rub it onto balcony doors, window frames, and thresholds too. The strong, pungent smell of garlic repels insects like ants, cockroaches, bedbugs, and spiders. It overwhelms their senses. It's a natural protective barrier that no unwanted guest likes. Pure nature that keeps pests away from your home. No chemicals, no cost, no risk.